up, y'all? Welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the TAMIA line dance. So this is not my choreography. It was choreographed by THOMPSON, and it was actually originally a country line dance to a song called Come Dance With Me, but it has since transitioned into the TAMIA line dance to TAMIA's song Can't Get Enough. We're going to break down the moves step by step, nice and slow. We're going to use a lot of repetition. I've had a lot of requests for this one, so I'm excited to teach it. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. As a reminder, you're not going to find any music in this video. There's no music. We're just going to break down the steps. But then when you're ready to try it with music, or if you want to see what the dance looks like with music, I'm going to dance it in a separate video that is linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So when you're ready to try it with music, go check out that other video. All right, let's dance the TAMIA line dance. Here we go. This dance has 4 counts of 8, so you can count the music in 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And there's 4 of those here. So we're gonna break it down one at a time, each of those 8 counts. Your first 8 count is the 2-step. All you're doing is stepping right, left, right, left, right, left. So you're not actually putting your weight on it until the second step. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Rocking back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. If you want to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, your first 8 count goes right, left, right, left, right, left. Your second 8 count, this is where it gets fun. Woohoo! You're going to take 8 steps, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's all you're doing, I promise. That's it. But we're going to cross our feet around. The first step, your right foot's going to go cross over your left, step to the side, and then we're going to do a little rock step, right, left. Yeah. So you're going right, left, right, left. Just try that. Go. Cross, side, rock, step. 5, 6, step across, right, left, right, left. One more time, cross your right, right, left, right, left. From here to finish out the 8 count, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna take 4 more steps. This time we're gonna go side, left foot's gonna go back, right foot's gonna go side, left foot's gonna go in front. I'm gonna try not to dance out of the camera. So we're gonna go side, back, side, front. Just try that step on your right, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, it's just 4 steps. Side, back, side, front. One more time, here we go. Side, back, side, front. Yeah? So when y'all pointed out that I say yeah a lot and I can't stop. So that 8 count after the 2-step, the first thing you're gonna do is cross your right foot over your left. 1, side, 2, rock. 3, 4, then we go side, back, side, front. Yeah? Yeah. Try it again. Cross your right foot. 5, 6, right foot crosses over. Right, left, rock. Then we go to the right. Right cross back, right cross front. 5, 6, 7, cross over. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 5, 6, it's 8 counts total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, but it's faster. 5, 6, right foot crosses over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't have it fast yet, don't worry, it'll come with time. Let's go back to the top. Put 2 8 counts together. So we're gonna do the 2-step, and then the first thing you're gonna do is your right foot's gonna cross over. 5, 6, 7, 2-step. Go right, left, right, left, right, left, cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, back, side, front. One more time. 5, 6, 2-step goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. You're doing amazing. Even if you're just laying in bed watching this, you're still being a human. Good job. It's not easy. It's tough out there. We're gonna go on, but if you're not ready to go on, remember it's recorded. You can pause it, practice those 8 counts as much as you need to. When you're ready to go into the third 8 count, here we go. So you finish with your left foot in front. We're gonna go right, left, left, right, left. You're gonna step out on your right, step side left, or just back on your left foot, and then you're gonna cross your right foot over again. So we're going right, left, right. Then your left foot's gonna get a turn to do the same thing, left, right, left. Yeah? So we're going, yeah? Right, left, left, right, left. Again, if you're counting it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that cross step gets 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6. Step to your right. Go right, left, right, left. We're going to go on to your fourth 8 count because you keep this going. One more. Right, left, right on 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. Then we're going to travel to your left for the last part of the 8 count. You're going to step side with your left, cross your right back, then side with your left again. So kind of like we did before, traveling to the right, side, back, side, front, but now you're going side, back, side to the left. Again, side, back, side. You're going to take 2 more steps, right, left, but you're going to use them to turn yourself around. So I'm going to turn to the left. I'm going to take 2 steps, right, left, and now I'm going to finish facing my second wall where you're going to start the dance over. Yeah. So again, from the top of this 8 count, we did 1 more of this, right, left, right, but the second part of the 8 count, you're going to step side, back, side, and then you're going to turn right, left, right foot, left foot, facing your second wall. Yeah. If you're going to do counts, you're not going to hold that 2 counts on that cross on the third time through. You're going to count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 7, 8 to turn around. So close to the wall. Again, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to face your second wall. Here we go. We're going to try it. Side, right, left, cross. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, cross, side, back, side, turn around. 5, 6, your right foot steps out. Go. Right, left, right, back, turn around. 5, 6, step out with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Let's go back 1 8 count. So we're going to go right. No, you go out. Right, left, right, left. That was 2 of them. And then on your third one, you're going to go into this little grapevine step to turn around. Here we go. 5, 6, step out on your right. We go right, right, little pause. Now we go, no pause. Back side, turn around. 5, 6, step out on your right. Third 8 count. Right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, left, side back, side turn. Yeah, that's it, y'all. We're gonna go back to the top, put it all together, all 4 8 counts, and then we'll talk about how to turn it without getting lost, because that's tricky. So we're gonna start with that 2-step on your right, really slow. 5, 6, step on your right. This is 1, 2, 3. Now your left foot gets a turn, right goes in front. Cross, side, rock, step, side, back, side. Now we go out to the right, out to the left. You do 1 more of those to the right, then side, back, side turn to face your second wall. Try it again. You can do it. 5, 6, 2 steps, right foot goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right foot crosses over. Right, left. Then we go side, back, side, front. Step out, cross your right foot over. Do that on your left. One more time. then side back, side turn. Woo! Great job. Really quick, let's talk about turning it around your room. So this is your first wall. You can put a Post-it there, wall 1. Then this is wall 2. You turn to your right. Turn to your right again, that's wall 3. Then we have wall 4. And then you turn to the right one last time, back to wall 1. And then you just keep going until the song ends. The tricky thing is that you're turning to the left to face the right wall. So that last 8 count went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're turning to your left. Make sure you're turning over your left shoulder. Step, step. Now we're facing the right, and you're going to go right, left, right to start it over. Then you go the whole thing through. We'll cross. We'll cross. One more. Right, left, side back, side turn around. Now we're facing your third wall. And you start it over. Yeah. And you just keep going forever or until the song ends. We're going to go all the way back to the top again. We're going to do 2 walls. So we'll do 1 wall. We'll go all the way through the second wall, and you should finish facing your third wall, which is the back wall. My back wall. I don't know which one it is for you. Here we go. Nice and slow, and then we'll do it a couple times faster after this. Right, left, right. That little 2-step. 5, 6. You can do it. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. Step on your left. Right foot crosses. Right, left, rock step, side back, side front. Step out on your right, cross it over. Now with your left, 1 more with your right, then we travel to the left, side back. Side turn, face your second wall. 2-step with your right, left, right foot crosses over. Right, left, rock step, side back, side front. Step out with your right, cross it over. Step out with your left, you're doing great. We're going to do 1 more. Side, side back, turn it around to go from the top. Ooh, very nice. Of course, it's faster with music, so let's go a little bit faster before we try it with music. Remember, if you can do it at this slower tempo, you can eventually get faster. You may just have to stay at this tempo longer until it feels really good and your muscle memory starts to pick up and you don't have to think about where your feet are going so much like this. We're gonna go a little faster though. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. 6, 2 steps right. You got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot goes over. Rock. Side back. Side front. Step out and cross. Now left. 1 more. Step side back. Side turn. Start it over. Right foot. Now left. Cross your right foot over. Right, left, rock, side, back, side, front. Side and cross it. We're going to do 1 more with your right. Then we travel left, side back, side turn. Then start it over. Very nice. And that was it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. I'm so proud of you for standing up and trying it. Dancing is so good for you. It's good for all of us, for our minds, our bodies, our spirits. Woo! I'm just really proud of you, but I hope you're proud of yourself for standing up and trying something new today. If you're wondering where the music is, remember it's linked in a separate video down below. I'll do it with cueing and without. Remember, this is also a recorded tutorial. If you need to go back and watch any of those steps 100 times, you can. Go back, watch it again until you feel comfortable with it. Thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate you taking some time out of your day to dance here with me. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, you can hit that subscribe button. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.